How to start an LLC in Arizona. Hey there, today I'm going to walk you through starting an LLC in Arizona, breaking down everything you need to know to get your business up and running smoothly. So, why should you consider forming your LLC in Arizona? Well, there are actually quite a few compelling reasons. You see, Arizona has become increasingly business-friendly over the years, with relatively low filing fees and straightforward formation requirements. The state also offers some pretty attractive tax benefits, and the growing economy provides lots of opportunities for new businesses. The thing is, if you're already living in Arizona or planning to operate your business there, forming your LLC in the state just makes sense. And don't worry, whether you choose the easy route or decide to handle everything yourself, I'll guide you through both options. Now let's talk about the simplest way to form your Arizona LLC. Basically, if you want to save time and avoid headaches, I'd recommend using Taylor Brands. They make the whole process incredibly straightforward and handle all the complicated paperwork for you. Here's how it works. You just visit their website, enter some basic information about your business, like your company name and contact details, and they take care of everything else. I mean everything. They'll prepare and file your articles of organization, provide registered agent service, which Arizona requires, and even help with additional documents like your operating agreement. What's really great about Taylor Brands is their user-friendly platform and excellent customer support. Plus, they offer competitive pricing and don't try to push unnecessary services on you. I've included a special discount link in the description below if you'd like to get started with them. On the other hand, if you prefer to handle things yourself, here's how to form your Arizona LLC manually. Choose your LLC name. First things first, you'll need to pick a unique business name. It must include LLC, Limited Liability Company, or similar abbreviations. You can check name availability on the Arizona Corporation Commission website. Actually, it's a good idea to have a few backup names ready, just in case your first choice is taken. Select a statutory agent. Well, next up is appointing a statutory agent. That's what Arizona calls a registered agent. This person or company must have a physical Arizona address and be available during business hours to receive legal documents. You can be your own statutory agent, but many business owners prefer using a professional service for privacy and convenience. File your articles of organization. Now comes the official paperwork. You'll need to file your articles of organization with the Arizona Corporation Commission. The filing fee is typically $50 for standard processing. You can submit this online or by mail, and you'll need to include basic information about your LLC, like company name, principal address, statutory agent information, management structure, member topic manager details, create an operating agreement. So, while Arizona doesn't legally require an operating agreement, it's definitely recommended. This document outlines how your LLC will be run, including ownership percentages, member responsibilities, voting rights, profit distribution, management structure. Get your EIN. Then, you'll want to apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. It's free and can be done online in just a few minutes. You'll need this number for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. Handle additional requirements. The thing is, depending on your business type and location, you might need specific licenses or permits. It's worth checking with your local city and county offices to ensure you're fully compliant. Anyway, when it comes to starting your Arizona LLC, you've got two solid options. If you want to save time and ensure everything's done correctly, using Taylor Brands is probably your best bet. They handle all the technical details while you focus on building your business. But if you're detail-oriented and don't mind putting in some extra time, the DIY approach can work too. Just remember that it requires more attention to detail and research to make sure you're meeting all state requirements. Well, if you're ready to get started with your Arizona LLC, just click the link in the description to access the special discount with Taylor Brands. The process is quick, and you'll have professional support every step of the way. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more business formation guides and entrepreneurship tips. And hey, if you have any questions about starting an LLC in Arizona, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new business venture.